Looking towards the future, one of the most important decisions anyone can face is where they want to live as they age. Finding the right balance of comfort and convenience is key to enjoying life.
Our mantra is very simple. It's to create an exceptional experience for residents where they can really live out their passions, whatever those may be, while enjoying a safe and secure environment and knowing that no matter what life brings them, they're going to be taken care of. And that's really, really important. When you're buying into a senior living community, yes, you want to look at the higher levels of living, assisted living, memory care, the skilled nursing, rehab, and so forth. But what you're really buying into is lifestyle. And that's where we really separate ourselves from the competition. We're situated on 80 beautiful acres just outside of Orlando, where you've got nature walks, you've got the preserve. There's so much to do, both within the community and outside the community. What we do from a programming standpoint, again, within the community and outside the community, are all things that are really unique to Village on the Green. Imagine, if you would, taking a luxury resort experience and marrying that with senior living, and that's really what you have.
Planning ahead brings confidence, and Village on the Green makes it possible.
You've heard the term full continuum. Well, what is the full continuum? Skilled nursing, short-term rehab, assisted living, and it's memory care. No matter what needs you have moving forward, all right, as we age, you know that you've got access to any one of these levels of living should you need it or your loved one need that. And that's huge from a security standpoint. Also from a financial standpoint, when you look at the services that we provide, should you need it, we are a tremendous value as compared to what would happen if you had to go out in the street and get that. So, it makes a lot of financial sense both for the resident and for their family members.
Village on the Green offers resort-style living within a vibrant community where residents can pursue their favorite activities in an engaging and enjoyable environment.
We are truly fortunate at Village on the Green to enjoy a community, to have a community that is so large. The walking paths, our butterfly gardens, we're in the process of putting in a driving range, putting green, outdoor pavilions, pickleball. Fastest growing sport for those over the age of 55, being able to have this and have that sense of space and the sense of nature. Very calming. It is something that you're not going to find in a high rise. You're not going to find in other communities in this area. So we're in a very unique position here at Village on the Green.
What I really love about living here is the community. I have never felt that I lived in a close-knit community before. It perks you up. It refreshes you. You just realize you're not alone.
We were on the young side for a CCRC, and we were healthy and just ready to launch this fabulous retirement from this beautiful spot. And we had been here for a month, and my husband had a terrible medical accident and ended up in the hospital. And because we were here, I didn't have to worry about getting the gutters cleaned or the pool cleaned or maintenance done. I had everything taken care of while I took care of my husband. And he's great now. And I felt like we were supported and we were in the right place at the right time.
It's a place to, if you want, reinvent yourself. Do those things that you never had time to do before, but now you have the time to be able to do that, those endeavors and whatnot. It is certainly not a place to slow down.
To find out more about Village on the Green, a life space community, visit votgseniorliving.com or designingspaces.tv.